Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your term life conversion option with MassMutual, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your MassMutual account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, visit the MassMutual website to register. Once logged in, navigate to the Policies section. Locate your term life insurance policy from the list presented. Click on the policy for more detailed information. Look for the Conversion option or Conversion Details tab. Review the terms and conditions of the conversion option. If eligible, select the option to update or convert your policy. Choose the type of permanent policy you wish to convert to. Review the premium rates for the new policy options available. Complete any required health questionnaires or documentation as prompted. Submit your conversion request online. If you prefer, you can also call MassMutual's customer service for assistance. Provide all necessary information and verify your identity if needed. Once your request is submitted, you will receive a confirmation notification. Monitor your email for updates regarding the status of your conversion. If approved, review the new policy details carefully. Make sure to keep a copy of your new policy for your records. For any further questions, consult with your assigned representative at MassMutual. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.